Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, and on my right, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop. Let's find out which one can mop the floor with the competition. First up, let's talk money. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is priced at $129, which some reviewers feel is a bit steep, but worth it for its effectiveness and features. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is a budget-friendly option at $49, making it a popular choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing cleanliness. Reviewers who opted for the BLACK+DECKER appreciated its affordability and ease of use, but some wished it had more robust features. Next, let's talk about heating time. The BLACK+DECKER heats up in just 30 seconds, which has been praised by users for its quick readiness. In contrast, the Shark does not specify its heating time, leading some users to expect a slightly longer wait. Reviewers of the BLACK+DECKER love the fast heating, making it ideal for those who want to get cleaning quickly, while Shark users note that they might have to wait a bit longer before starting their mopping. Now, let's get into the water tank capacity. The Shark has a 220 milliliter tank, which many users find sufficient for a moderate cleaning session. However, the BLACK+DECKER does not disclose its tank size, leading to some frustration among users who report needing to refill it often, especially in larger homes. Reviewers of the Shark appreciate its larger capacity, while BLACK+DECKER users suggest it may require more frequent refills during longer cleaning tasks. Moving on to cleaning technology, Shark's Steam Blaster technology is often highlighted in reviews for its ability to tackle tough stains effectively. Users have expressed satisfaction with how it cleans various floor types. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER emphasizes its ability to clean without harsh chemicals, appealing to those sensitive to strong smells. Reviewers of the BLACK+DECKER appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness, although some feel it could be more powerful against stubborn stains compared to Shark. Now, let's talk maneuverability. The BLACK+DECKER features a swivel head that users rave about for its ease of movement, making it feel like a dancer at a wedding. However, the Shark has a genius head with direct steam channeling, which some users find helps them feel more in control during cleaning. Reviewers of the BLACK+DECKER enjoy its flexibility, while Shark users appreciate the precision it offers. Lastly, let's discuss pads. The Shark comes with double-sided dirt grip washable pads that users love for their efficiency and convenience. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER features a microfiber pad that glides smoothly across surfaces, but lacks the versatility of Shark's dual-sided design. Reviewers of the Shark highlight the cost-effectiveness of washable pads, while BLACK+DECKER users enjoy the smooth operation but wish for more options. In summary, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is praised for its high-tech features and cleaning effectiveness, while the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is appreciated for its affordability and user-friendliness. Users of Shark often rave about its ability to tackle tough stains and the versatility of its pads. Meanwhile, BLACK+DECKER users love its quick heating and lightweight design, although some express concerns about cord length and tank capacity. So there you have it, folks. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is packed with high-tech features and a hefty price tag, while the BLACK+DECKER Steam Mop is budget-friendly and quick to heat up. It all comes down to what you value more, high-tech cleaning or saving a few bucks for that fancy coffee. Remember, whether you choose Shark or Black+Decker, the real winner is your clean floor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.